Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my viewers. Today, my wife, she gave me a aubergine to make something nice with that. So I'm gonna make a stuffed aubergine today with that. So it's be very easy and very few ingredients in there going. So I hope you're gonna like it, and this I think it's so easy. Any can make this stuff aubergine. So before I start, I'm gonna tell you my ingredient, what I'm gonna use in that. Okay, guys, what ingredient I'm using is the first is a mozzarella cheese. I use using a white mozzarella cheese, and you can use any other cheese, whatever you think is you like. And I've made this paste. It's got coriander, parsley, and mint, and I got crushed red chili in there, and oil. So I made this, and got freshly ground black pepper, salt, cumin seed, and a mixed herb. I'm gonna use aubergine, these two, and I'm gonna use tomatoes there. Okay, shall we start now? Okay, guys, I've got these two aubergine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make cut from here. Here. And I'm gonna open a little bit this. It's open, yeah. Get a bit more cut in there. And make a cut like you can open, yeah. So I'm gonna do this again, the other one as well. Okay, yeah, this open. It's easily this one open. With cut on. This okay. Yes, open like this, yeah. Now I'm gonna put my sauce in there. I'm gonna put on both sides. So it will give you a nice flavor, because not much spice in there, same in other one as well. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna put some of salt. Like this is a sprinkle of salt, yeah. I'm gonna just put a little bit sprinkle of black pepper. And a little bit cumin powder. And a nice touch of mix herb. It's a dry mix herb. You can get from any shop. a slice of tomatoes. I'm going to put a slice of tomatoes, one of each in there. Same is in other one. Okay, let me throw this rubbish. Now I'm gonna make a slice. Got cheese here. You can use whatever cheese you like. Yeah. The cheese go inside. Okay, now we stuff our aubergine. So I'm gonna put this on this dish. This is oven dish. So you can put this one in oven. So you make sure when you put, it's got to be oven dish. Okay. This is ready. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven. And before I put in the oven, I'm gonna put some oil on there. It's olive oil, just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in the oven. This is ready. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven. Low setting about 175 until it's cooked. So when it's cooked, we'll come back. Okay. See you. Okay, guys. That our stuffed aubergine is ready. So check this. Here. So I'm gonna take out my dish. Before take out, I will show you. This is aubergine is ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this out in a tray and dish out. Okay, friend, this my dish is ready. Aubergine we serve with salad and sauce. Okay, guys, as you see, my dish is ready now. What do you think? It's very nice, tasty, and you should try this. And if you like it, please comments in the comment section. Share with your friends or family. Please, again, let me know in comments what you think about it. I think it's easy and delicious. Thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe. You will get this different recipe every week, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. If you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.